So if you like riding a bicycle or a motorbike and you want to get similar shots like these, then you're gonna need this accessory, which is Insta360 Flexi Strap Mount. So what exactly is it? It's basically a flexible rubber mount with a rotating head. You simply wrap it around a rail or tube, tighten it and mount your camera. So inside the box you get the Flexi Strap Mount itself. There are also two rubber straps, and notice that one is shorter and another one is longer for different tube sizes. And lastly, a thumb screw to securely mount your camera. And that's basically everything you get in the package. And you can use it with Insta360 Go 3, Go Ultra, Ace Pro 2 and pretty much any other action camera. The whole setup is very simple. Place the mount on the tube or handlebar, then wrap the strap around it and lock it in place. After that, just tighten the thumb screw to secure your camera. Adjust your camera angle and get the shot. Notice that the mount can rotate in 360 degrees in any direction. And thanks to the thumb screw, you can easily adjust the camera angle and frame the shot exactly how you want it. Another thing worth mentioning is that the inner side of the mount is covered with some small rubber grips just on the contact surface. They create some extra friction which help the mount stay solid and secure. Even in some rough conditions, it doesn't slide down the tube, so personally, I never had any problems with that. So overall, it's a very simple mount, and you can attach it to rails, tubes, handlebars, etc. during all sorts of different activities. I personally tested on a bicycle and a motorbike, but the thing is that you're not limited to that. You can use it in all sorts of different places, on a helmet, kayak paddle, easy bar, shopping cart, etc. Basically, if it has a rail, a tube or a handle, you can probably mount it there. So Insta360 Flexi Strap Mount costs around $18 on official Insta360 website, which makes it a very affordable accessory. If you're interested in getting unique and creative POV shots from your camera, or perhaps you simply want to try something new, it's definitely worth considering. For that price, it's really hard to complain. Small, simple, versatile. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from it and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.